Hey there, fellow TikTok enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a fun and unique feature on the platform, the 20 grams video and 15 grams shots. You might have noticed that some of your favorite creators are using this new format to create some truly incredible content. The 20 grams video is a 20-second video, while the 15 grams shot is a 15-second video clip. These shorter formats are perfect for creating engaging, bite-sized content that's easy to consume and share. They're also a great way to experiment with different styles and formats, and to push your creativity to new heights. So, why not give it a try? Create your own 20 grams video or 15 grams shot and share it with the world. You never know, you might just become the next TikTok sensation. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome TikTok tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and have fun.